Hi, I'm Claudia Imhoff. I'm the president of Intelligence Solutions. We're a consulting company for business intelligence and data warehousing. And I'm also the founder of the Boulder BI Brain Trust, a consortium of independent analysts, consultants, and practitioners who give vendors all sorts of good feedback and interesting comments about their offerings. One of the things that I see coming is collaboration coming into business intelligence. It isn't there quite yet, although we are starting to see some bright spots in business intelligence tools. It's the ability of people to get together to make a decision. What we're seeing is the ability to add comments, to add links, to be able to rate reports, or even the people that make the reports, to add their expertise. So information workers really want to be able to add their own comments to something and be able to collaborate with others and have that collaboration documented, and then the decision that they make also be documented. What that means is that we have to bring together an awful lot of information really fast. It's not all within a BI environment. Some of it's going to come from operations. Some of it's going to come from external sources even. So the ability to virtualize all of that together and be able to present it to a group is becoming, I think, a very critical piece of business intelligence. Also the ability to document what you brought together and recreate it, because if you make a decision, you certainly want to be able to, at a later date, go back and say, why did we make the decision that we did, and have all of the pieces in place that say, here's what we were looking at, here's why we made the decision we did. So collaboration is becoming very important. It hasn't caught on as fast, I think, but I think it's coming.